We need to talk about something serious. I want to sell my truck. Ernesto, what? Are you out of your mind, Shirley? That truck is our only chance to make some money when we get out of here. Shirley Strawberry, come on, Ernesto. It's been sitting in your cousin's garage for months. We can't keep relying on a broken down vehicle. Ernesto, that truck has sentimental value, Shirley. It reminds me of better times, and it's a symbol of our dreams. Shirley Strawberry, dreams won't fill our empty stomachs, Ernesto. We need cash, and selling the truck is the fastest way to get it. Ernesto, but we can fix it, Shirley. We'll get it running again and start a small business, like we've always talked about. Shirley Strawberry, that's a nice dream, Ernesto, but we need practical solutions right now. Selling the truck will give us a fresh start. Ernesto, maybe you're right, Shirley. Maybe it's time to let go of the past and focus on our present situation. Shirley Strawberry, I'm glad you understand, Ernesto. We need to make the best out of the hand we've been dealt. Ernesto, it won't be easy, but if it helps us move forward, then I'm willing to give it a try. Thanks for watching our explosive jailhouse confrontation.